If you're watching this, you are probably at a point where you know you need to make a move, but you're not sure if the timing is right, if you are ready for it, or if this is the right place to start. Hi, I am Vishal Shinde, founder of Nixace Technologies, and in the next few minutes, I want to answer all of that honestly. Here's the reality of where we are right now. DevOps has become the backbone of every modern tech company, whether it's a startup building its first product or a Fortune 500 managing thousands of servers. Someone has to build the infrastructure, automate the pipelines, and keep everything running. That someone is a DevOps engineer. And the demand, it's not slowing down. Companies across India and globally are actively struggling to find engineers who can do this work, not just talk about it. Salaries reflect that, the job postings reflect that. The market is wide open. But here's what I've seen over the years. And this is what pushed me to build Nixace the way it is today. Most people who want to get into DevOps either go through courses that are outdated or they spend months on YouTube trying to piece things together and they still don't feel job ready. Freshers come out of college with theory and no real exposure. Working professionals know bit and pieces but can't connect them into something an employer would actually trust. The gap between learning DevOps and being hired for it, that's exactly Nixace was built to close. So what do we do differently? First, everything we teach is 100% cloud native. No legacy tools, no outdated syllabus, the exact stack the production teams are running today. Second, over 120 hands-on labs. You will not sit and watch. Every concept gets applied in real environment, on real infrastructure, solving real problems. Third, 4 major projects, one every month. By the time you complete this program, your GitHub portfolio will say more to an employer than any certificate ever could. And fourth, I am personally involved. This isn't a program where you sign up and get handed to a junior instructor. I have spent over 2 decades in this industry. I know what hiring managers look for. I know what breaks in production, and I shall be in the room with you. I started Nixace because I believe that the right platform, the right guidance, and the space to actually make mistakes and learn from them. That combination can change someone's entire career trajectory. We have seen it happen. I have made it happen. Engineers who were stuck in support role for years now leading DevOps teams. Freshers who had no idea where to start now placed at companies they once only applied to. That's what this program is designed to do for you. If you are serious about building a career in DevOps, not just getting a certificate, but actually become the engineer company wants to hire, I would love for you to be in the next batch. Scroll down, go through our curriculum. If it feels right, reach out. We shall have a real conversation about where you are and where you want to go. I shall see you inside.